Oh, I'm sorry, the yellow arrow point to the possible tunnel entrance, and the other one point to the other. Oh my. So that's the tunnel entrance back there. And this is a second UFO, so they're coming. This is front, this is second. And that's the entrance of the tunnel, that behind this craft. And not only that, you can use gravity lensing to see behind the object, what's behind that thing. Of course, NASA will never tell us nothing. The second UFO in this tunnel, under this condition, due to an imaginable amount of forces and energy levels that may be taking place in this possible tunnel, this possible planet-sized UFO is traveling through. Wow. I mean, this is top-notch, what we're looking at. So this is one craft right here. That's the second craft. And the third craft is behind in the blue, which we don't see in this image, which was the first image. Which is this image right here. So this is one craft, that's another, and in the center of it, that's the blue one right there, and you can see the black electromagnetic energy around that. When he enhanced it, the thing was blue. And behind that craft right there is the entrance of the tunnel, so it curves to the left. And this is the sun's corona, that right there. So we go back to the image that we just passed. See, the entrance of the tunnel is to the left, right here, behind this big-ass craft. So this is the first demonstration. So we go back. We go to that was the first part of the report. We saw that already. Now let's go to part 2, which is down here somewhere. Here is part 2. Don't bother to write him or call him. That's not gonna work. I tried. You got to go to UFO Digest to find his phone number. So here's where we left off. This So it's gonna concentrate on the second UFO to the right, which is, it looks like it's a V shape. And you can see both sides. And there's the part that unifies them. Incredible how this guy with that technology is able to enhance these images to where you can see even small craft that you can never imagine were there in that picture, the size of the pinhead. And these are the tiny craft that are all around the image. Only by zooming with this camera is possible to see them. They only look like specks on the image. Right there. And see the electromagnetic energy all around them. Don't get me wrong, these little specks are almost the size of United States. So don't get any weird idea that these are tiny. No, they're not. They're huge, very large. So he's showing, I'm showing you what those specks look like. He will show them better, but not that good. In the green picture you can see again the same thing, but much better. It's starting to show details of that craft, possible planet-sized UFO, which I already saw this in 2010. Then it was taken down by YouTube and by NASA. I went back to the Soho. I couldn't find that. Even so, it's a tiny speck, only because this guy used this technology to enhance it like that. You're never gonna see ever this type of enhancement anywhere. It's only this guy has it. This is posted on bibliotecaplayades.net. See how there's all these buildings? Well, I can tell you right now that these are reptilian craft, and this is a dinosaur head. It's all reptilian. It's nothing but reptilian stuff. You see when I show you a picture at the bottom of this,